Baoji Seabird Metal Materials Company Limited was established in 2001, which occupies 21,000 meters square. The company is approved by ISO 9000 and SGS certification. It owns complete equipments from the raw material to finished products. Some products have reached the leading position in China, such as medical nitinol sheet and wire, two-way shape memory alloy sheet and spring, porous tungsten rod, etc. Please see the show. When put into hot water, it transforms. Change to cold. It's back to original shape. We are specializing in manufacturing nitinol shape memory alloy, tungsten and molybdenum and titanium alloy for 16 years, which widely used in medical, industry, military, and aerospace. Welcome to visit our factory.